Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you English Marigold Class 3 Unit 6 Trains. So students, let's enjoy this poem Trains. First of all, I will recite this poem. Okay? So hope you enjoy the recitation of the poem and you have to learn how to recite this poem. Okay? So let me start the recitation of the poem first. So Unit 6 Trains. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on, through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Now students, I will explain this poem Trains, Unit 6 Trains. Over the mountains. Mountains, what is the meaning of mountains? Mountains means a large steep hill is called mountains. So where the train goes, it goes over the mountains, over the plains. So plains means the large area of flat land with a few trees is called plains. So look at this, this is the picture of plain. So that is the flat land where we grew some trees. So this is also called the flat area. So where the train goes to, see, it's over the mountains and over the plains, over the rivers. So look at this picture of river. What is the meaning of river? A large natural stream of water is called river. So look at this river. So where the train goes, it goes over the rivers. Here come the trains and then the train comes to us. So where the train goes first, it goes over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, and here come the trains. So train run over the mountains, plains, rivers, and then comes to us. Okay. Now look at the next passage. This is the second stanza. Carrying passengers. What a train carrying? Look at this picture of the train. So many passengers are sitting in the train. So passengers means traveler. So travelers are sitting in the train. So train is carrying passengers, carrying mail, and what other things train carrying? That is the mail. Mail means letter or parcel sent by the post. So train is carrying letter and parcel also. So the one thing is train carrying, that is the passengers means travelers, and the mail means letter and parcels, bringing their precious load. So these are the precious load. Which is the precious load? That passengers and the letter and parcels. So this is the precious load. Precious means valuable things. So this is the valuable, the things which has a great value, that is called precious. So train is carrying precious load in without fail. So without any disturbance, train comes to us and without any fault, बिना कोई रुकावट के ट्रेन पैसेंजर और मेल को हमारे स्टेशन पर जहाँ जाना होता है वहाँ वो पहुँचाती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज़ द ट्रेन जो माउंटेन पर रन करती है, प्लेन्स पर, रिवर्स. सो लुक एट द रिवर्स, देयर इज़ अ ब्रिज ऑल्सो देयर. एंड वो क्या कैरिंग करती है? पैसेंजर को कैरिंग करती है. और मेल एंड पार्सल, मेल में क्या आता है, पार्सल और लेटर हमारे तक वो पहुंचाती है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स सी द थर्ड स्टैंजा. Thousands of freight cars. So students, here the new word is freight cars. Freight cars means this is called a freight car. So जो इसको हम goods train बोलते हैं ना, मालगाड़ी, that is called freight car. So thousands of freight cars. So how many freight cars are there? Thousands. कितनी है? Thousands है. All rushing on. और वो सब क्या करती है? वो सब दौड़ती है. Through day and darkness. तो वो दिन को भी चलती है और वो नाइट, डार्कनेस यानी नाइट, जो रात को भी चलती है. थ्रू डस्क एंड डाउन. और वो कब भी, डस्क एंड डाउन. सो व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ डस्क? डस्क इज़ द टाइम दैट इज़ द डीम और डार्क, एंड डाउन इज़ द फर्स्ट लाइट ऑफ द डे. तो वो जो ट्रेन होती है, जो फ्राइट कार्स कहते हैं, जो मालगाड़ी बोलते हैं, वो दिन और रात दोनों टाइम वो क्या करती है? दौड़ा करती है. ओके, ओवर द माउंटेन्स, ओवर द प्लेन्स, ओवर द रिवर्स, हियर कम्स द ट्रेन. सो ट्रेन run over the mountain, plains and the rivers. So and this poem is written by James S. Tippett. James S. Tippett is the writer of this poem. So आपको पता चला ना ट्रेन कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है. So this is the explanation of this poem. So train runs through the mountain, plain, rivers and then comes to us and it do its duty. See the face of the train is looking so happy and this is the engine of the train. Okay, so let's see the new words are here. The first one is mountains. So what is the meaning of mountains? Mountains means the large steep hill. This is the large steep hill that is called mountain. You can see in your textbook at the top of there is the picture of mountain is there. So that is the mountain. The next one is passengers. So passengers, see here in the train, so passengers are sitting in the train. They are called passengers, means travelers. Travelers are called passengers. Then the rivers. The rivers means large natural stream of water is called river. Then the precious. So what is the meaning of precious? A great value, things which has great value, that is called precious. The next one is mail. Mail means letters and parcels sent by the post is called mail. Then plains. The plains is the large flat land where we grow trees is called plains. Dusk. Dusk means dim or dark and down means first light of the day, that is called down. So now students, open the page number 54 in your Marigold textbook. Now we will start our textbook work. Now describe an interesting train or bus journey you have taken or would like to take. Write 4 sentences about your journey. You can use some of the following words and phrases. So here the some phrases are given that you have to write in a sentence and make your sentence about the journey. So let's see. Now look here. I went to railway station with my father to go to Mumbai. There were many people at the railway station. There were crowded tea stalls at the station. We purchased the tickets and reached the platform next to the train in which we had to get in. We went inside the train and after some time it gave a long whistle. It left the station. I was sitting near the window. We crossed a big river. On the way, we crossed hundreds of big and small trees, hills, etc. It was a great journey. So, like this, you can make the sentences. Now, see the page number 54, the word building. Sort out these different means of transport into correct group. One is done for you. So this is the means of transport. You have to sort out in these three groups, that is land, air and water. So first one is bus. So this is the bus travel on land. So bus is there. So what will become next? Let's see the answer. So look here. Bus, car, train, bicycle, truck. So these are vehicles run on land, on air, aeroplane and helicopter, and in water, ship, boat and steamer. So we can classify like this: the land, air and water. So all these words we can classify like this, and you have to copy in your Marigold textbook with good handwriting. Now let's see the last exercise. Complete the sentence. So answer is given in the bracket. You have to choose the correct answer for filling the blanks. The first one is give me some dash to eat. So what is the answer? Food. So write a food here. So give me some food to eat. The next one, play with. What is the answer? Me. Play with me. Third one, swim across the river. So what is the answer? The river. Swim across the river. And last one, let's go on the train. So what is the answer? Train. So let's go on the train. So all these four answer you have to write in your Marigold textbook like this. Okay students? Now students, you can make with the help of paper the aeroplane like this. So fold the paper in this given picture like this. First you fold like this, then you come to bend this paper and your aeroplane is ready. So you can take the coloring paper and you can make the aeroplane like this. Okay. Now let's see the say aloud new words. Mail, fail, down, on, planes, trains. This is the rhyming words, and one rhyme is also here, that is engine, engine number 9. Engine, engine number 9, when she is polished, she will shine. Engine, engine number 9, 10 will ride on the Simla line. So this is the poem on the rhyme on engine. So students, our lesson is finished here. Our explanation and recitation of this poem is finished here, and textbook work is also finished here. Okay students, thank you. Have a nice day.